The wait is over. FluentCRM's most awaiting abandoned carts feature is now on the move. It's an innovative tool designed to maximize your e-commerce potential by reclaiming lost customers who left items behind. In this video, I'll show you what's inside abandoned carts and what you can do with it. So, let's get started. Abandoned cart is an inbuilt feature that comes with FluentCRM version 2.9.2. To activate this feature, head over to FluentCRM settings and here it is. Simply check the enabled abandoned cart tracking for WooCommerce option to get started. Next, set your cart abandoned cutoff time. This defines how long after a cart is abandoned that it's marked as recoverable. Whether it's 30 minutes or more, you decide. The cool-off period ensures your customers aren't bombarded with reminders. Set this to exclude those who have completed a purchase within a specific number of days, maintaining a balanced communication flow. The Mark as Lost After option lets you specify when to consider a cart lost if no order is placed. So, you have control over how long you want to wait. You can also tailor the status of new contacts, ensuring they're managed appropriately within your FluentCRM contacts with options like new transactional status to keep them engaged. One of the key settings is the Mark Cart as Recovered option. Here, you define which WooCommerce order statuses such as processing, completed, or the rest automatically mark the cart as recovered, closing the loop on the potential sale. Let's check out a few other things here. As you can see, FluentCRM has added a very crucial feature here, GDPR consent. That means you have the option to inform customers that their email, cart information, or other related data are being used to send abandonment reminders, ensuring transparency and trust, which we will see in action a moment later. The user section allows you to track carts when logged in users add items. You can also disable tracking for specific user roles, giving you flexibility in how the feature works across your site. Alright, rest of the settings are for CRM contact management. Nice. So basically, these features streamline your workflow and ensure your contacts are properly categorized based on their actions. Let's check them out. In the contact tagging section, you can add lists and tags when a cart is abandoned or lost. For instance, select the list under Add Lists or Cart Abandoned to start an automated process as soon as a cart is marked abandoned. Tags can also be added using the Add Tags or Cart Abandonment option, allowing for precise segmentation and targeted follow-up. So that was all from the settings of this feature. Go ahead and save the settings. Now, let's check it out from the front-end view and see how it works. Here is a dummy shop. You can see the products from WooCommerce are showcased over here. Alright, so suppose I add this product in my cart. I fill in my information, and I'm on the checkout page. As you can see, the GDPR consent is all set. If you click No Thanks, Abandoned Cart feature will not trigger in this checkout. Alright. Let's say due to some reason, I didn't place the order and just left the page. Let's see if it shows up on the abandoned cart. For that, we gotta go to the abandoned cart report dashboard. This is the heart of the operation. As you can see, the cart that we abandoned right now just came up on the dashboard, and it's in the draft mode. The information is already recorded at the time the cart was abandoned, including the time. You can go ahead and also get detailed information just by pressing on this View button. From here, you can also see the details like the billing to shipping address to many other important information. Let's check out the entire dashboard. This is where the real magic happens. As soon as the system detects an abandoned cart, all relevant data is funneled into this intuitive dashboard, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your recovery efforts. At the top, you'll see key metrics like recovered revenue, processing revenue, lost revenue with counts as well, and more, offering a clear snapshot of your business's performance. Need to track your recovery rate? It's right there, calculated in real time to ensure you're always in the know. Notice the opt-out revenue section? This helps you monitor how much potential revenue is slipping through the cracks, giving you insight into areas where you can tighten your strategies. And it doesn't stop there. You can filter these reports by date using the start and end date fields, or even fine tune your search by email using the search bar on the right. You can even choose to view your cart data separately, as we saw before. How cool is that? Okay, so now let's talk about what you can do with these abandoned carts. We can't just lose our customers, can we? It's crucial we remind them about the cart they left. This is where email automation comes in like a savior. FluentCRM gives you the option for setting up email automation for the abandoned cart feature. Start by heading to the automation section from the top bar and clicking on New Automation. Here, you'll select the trigger for your automation. Since we're focusing on the new abandoned carts trigger, let's choose that. Once you've selected the cart abandoned trigger, you'll be taken to the automation setup page. You can fill these fields according to your understanding. Next, you'll notice the priority setting. This is useful if you're running multiple abandoned carts automation. A higher priority ensures this automation triggers first when the condition matches. Further down, you'll see the conditions section. It's basically to make the automation smarter. You can add specific conditions. It's a powerful way to make sure this automation only targets the right people. Whether it's based on cart data, contact details, contact segment, contact activities, or even WooCommerce actions, you can set these up to trigger the automation just the way you need it. This is going to be extremely handy, I'm telling you. Then again, you can skip this automation if the contact is already in an active state. This is particularly useful to prevent the automation from triggering multiple times for the same contact if they're already engaged. Another option is to ensure that the automation only runs for subscribed contacts. By enabling this, the automation will specifically target those who are actively subscribed, helping you maintain a focused approach. Once these settings are adjusted to your preferences, you're all set to proceed with the automation setup, ensuring it targets the right contacts at the right time. All right, so as you can see, we have already created the first step of the automation. Now, the crucial part. You obviously are not going to send the email right away, right? For that comes this specific trigger. With this action, you can set the timing for when the email will be sent to the customers. We have several options to choose from. For now, I'll go with the 30-minute timer setting. Sounds good. Moving on, as you can see, there are a number of ways you can choose to send or set your email. Either one from your campaign emails that you already had set, sequence email, or even custom emails. FluentCRM left no crumbs behind. Okay, let's go with the custom email. As you can see, you have all these fields to prepare your email subject and header, which is very important as an attractive subject and header will surely grab the customer's attention. All right, so moving on, here is the page where you can custom write your email body. You can also import a template if you have one. As you can see, I have already wrote a custom email to show you all. You can craft these emails directly in the platform and take advantages of smart codes to personalize each message. For instance, you can easily insert cart recovery link, display cart items, or include other relevant details, making it easier for your customers to get back to the track. This flexibility ensures that every email is tailored to the recipient, increasing your chances of recovering the lost sale. Another thing, you can also add coupons via smart codes in your email too. Who doesn't love discounts? You can send a test email to see if everything has been set properly. When you're done with the customization, you can end the funnel by adding this trigger. Finally, don't forget to publish the automation. Otherwise, it won't run. There you go. So now, once the time you have set has passed, your customers will automatically receive the personalized email. And with the recovery link included, you're making it super easy for them to jump back into their cart and complete the purchase. And that's a wrap. With the abandoned cart feature in FluentCRM, you're all set to recover lost sales and boost your revenue effortlessly. Remember, every missed opportunity is a chance to win back a customer. And with these tools, you are in control. Thanks for watching!